Hi, my name is Barbara Stewart, and I am a science teacher. I teach chemistry and physics here at Bangor High School. The 3D printer works very similar to a 2D printer, a normal printer. With a normal printer, you take a picture or words and you print it on paper. With our 3D printer, you take an object or an idea and you make that actual object. So we have students doing projects all across the curriculum here at Bangor. There are students 3D printing pieces for science projects. There are students 3D printing in the art department, down at the middle school and elementary school, for example. All throughout the curriculum, we've got people using 3D printers. Now, one of the things that I really like about it is that students really kind of engages them in a lot of different ways. So, for example, I have people who really like to design and build things, and they get to design using a program called Tinkercad. They design something on the computer, and then they get to see it as it comes out. So, one of the things that attracted me to Bangor High School is Bangor is a really national leader in STEM education. And so we have incredible resources and incredible kids, and we're able to do some kind of be on the forefront of the technology, in addition to bringing that technology and curriculum to a lot of different students. I also wanted to show you a couple of projects that we have going. We're using it in the curriculum to build holders and casings for materials. I do water quality testing with students in the summer, and I had a middle school student who actually 3D printed a holder to collect water samples. One of the other projects is we have a science bowl team that has won the state science bowl and has competed at the national level. And one of the students showed up today with a buzzer system to help practice with the science bowl, practice for the science bowl team. And again, using all 3D printed parts.
Hi, I'm Marina Mahawas. From Bangor High School. I'm a STEM student. I'm a STEM student in Bangor High School STEM Academy, and we're going to be graduating in the year 2019. So I'm part of the stormwater program in here, and what we do is that we go out to different water sites and we sample water. But doing so, we need to take several sensors with us, and we need to take turbidity bottles and E. coli bottles to each of the sites, which means that we have to take up to 9 or 10 bottles every time, which requires a lot of space. But we can 3D print a basket that can have all of these bottles in them, and it would be cost effective, and it would be helpful for us to use. So in here, I use Tinkercad to design a basket that would have turbidity bottles in it. So here we can have up to 9 bottles.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Jacobs. I'm from the class of 2019 here at Bangor High School. So I really enjoy having 3D printers in our classrooms because it's taught me a lot about manufacturing and additive manufacturing in particular. I'm doing a research project currently looking at additive manufacturing, and the use of these printers got me into the Advanced Structures and Composites Center and internship at the university. I'm doing some research with respect to materials of parts. The really important thing I think about having 3D printers in schools is it teaches kids to think differently. Instead of being taught information, just having information fed to you, you can kind of have something more similar to what you do in the workforce. You're kind of producing something that allows you to think through problems and kind of come up with a solution on your own.
Hi, I'm Nan. I'm from the Bangor High School class of 2020, and we got these 3D printers here last year. Well, there were some in the other room, but we just got them for the freshman class here. And you can do a lot of things with 3D printers. You can create basically any object that fits within this platter size here. And I think it's really important that we have many of these and that students learn to use them, because they can adapt their artistic skills, their creativity, and their building skills for problem solving by using a machine like this. And instead of stuff where you have like a rigid structure of what you need to do, like a Lego or something, you can only do a certain amount of things. So this you can make anything. You make boxes, you can make spheres, cylinders, etc. Basically anything that you need to do for your project or for housing your project. It doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want.
So,